SMCI is down 18.19% in this post-market session of today, the 29th of April 2025. It's That's not a good news. I think yeah, it's down as you can see 18%. The company blamed delayed customer platform decisions as it warned that results for its latest quarter will be much lower than expected. It also cited much lower than its anticipated earnings per share due to high inventory reserves resulting from older generation products. I think it's the transition to Blackwell and the Nvidia has now has a roadmap for new Nvidia new Blackwell upgrades all the way towards middle of 2027, and it seems SMCI has seems to be prioritizing the transition to these new chips, and it probably had to write down a lot of hopper chips, because currently a lot of companies were before that presentation, before that unveiling of the series of Blackwell upgrades, most companies were still on hopper, and of course Nvidia wanted them to move on to that, and it seems that Nvidia SMCI obviously has to get ready for that. So I'm sure they have had to write down. You can say, as you can see what they're saying here. SMCI may be having to maybe having to take an inventory write down to account for all the Nvidia GPUs, such as its Hopper family or some other products that don't run with Blackwell, such as older forms of memory. Okay, yeah, it's not very good news, but hey, all is not lost. Would you take the risk to buy this deep? You know, so down here we can see what's going on. This is a 4-hour chart. Some recovery is expected, maybe not like immediately. Some strength might is expected to come in the coming days by Thursday, the 1st of May, and even all the way towards Monday the 5th. So I don't remember saying I probably indicated that it's we're really not out of the woods as such, with SMCI. But this I think there might be an opportunity to buy this dip. So extrapolation is that some bounce may occur. Yeah, that some bounce may occur. And if anything, it's I don't think this is not the end. This is really not the end. It's they're moving on to Blackwell chips. They're getting ready for that. So it's not that bad. It's just unfortunate that this is they've been caught napping. They've been caught with we're speculating here. They've been caught with a lot of hopper chips. But it happens like this. It happens like this. Yeah. So yeah, rebound possible. Yeah, possible. Obviously. Yeah. What do we have? We had upper projections before 44 dollars or thereabouts. Are we still holding that? We have to go to its okay. But in any case, here we have on this 4-hour chart, we have everything here is a downward projection. I'm not sure the daily chart has a record of does I don't think it has it because I don't think it has reflected it's reflecting what's going on right now. No, even though it has this extrapolation to the upside, it doesn't. This chart doesn't know what has happened now. It doesn't know this news. It doesn't know, and we have yeah, those projections are there, but this is it's not they're subject to change because when the market opens, this will have to be recalculated. So I think we have there is definitely with all boldness I can say this is an opportunity to buy to average down. Yeah, this is an opportunity to average down if you're already in there already. So if I remember, I would also pick up a few of this deep. You know, yeah. So quite unfortunate. Quite an unfortunate situation. Yeah, quite an unfortunate situation. It's expecting Q3 for 2025 net sales of $4.5 billion to $4.6 billion, down from $5 billion to $6 billion. Earnings per share guidance is revised to 0.29 to $0.31. Okay, yeah, that's what we're facing now. I will definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.